Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about a paragraph that is the moon, but before starting this video I request everyone to subscribe my channel, press on the bell button and don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. The moon is seen in the cloudless night sky. It is a satellite of the planet Earth, so it moves round the earth. It has no light. It is silvery white in color. During Purnima, it seems like a big ball. For a fortnight, it changes its size every day, becomes smaller until it disappears completely. It is called Amavasya on 21 July 1969. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon. There is no air, water, or life on the moon.